I'm a bowler. And when I began bowling, it seemed pretty simple. Pick up the ball, roll the ball, knock down the pins. That's how I learned how to bowl, is I started playing around. And then the day I decided, hey, I want to do this as like a hobby, a sport, I became more interested in knocking down more pins every time I rolled the ball. As a result, I learned about access tilt, and I learned about the 4-step approach versus the 5-step approach. I learned about oil patterns on lanes, a 35-foot pattern, a 40-foot pattern. I learned about different cover stocks on the ball. I've learned what happens when there are several games that are rolled on the lanes and it pushes the oil to the outside, so there's a lot of friction in the middle. I've learned that you really don't throw the ball down the lane, you really roll it off your fingers like a yo-yo. I've got this tape that simulates skin that I put on my fingers to give me more revs every time I roll the ball. Now, if anyone sat me down and explained bowling with all the crap I just explained to you, I'd never pick up a ball. But I started really simple. Pick up the ball, roll the ball, knock down the pins. I believe the PLC process is rolled out in a way where we start with all the stuff in the middle that I just talked about. And teachers have no sight of what the end goal is. See, with bowling, it's you roll the ball, you knock down the pins. With PLC, it's what's essential, did they learn it? That's it.